Hi, how are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty well, thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. What have you been up to lately?
Not much, just working and spending time with my family. How about you?
I've been busy with work too, but I've also been trying to get outside and enjoy the nice weather. Have you been doing anything fun with your family?
Yes, we went to the beach last weekend and had a great time. The kids loved playing in the sand and swimming in the ocean.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I haven't been to the beach in a while, but I've been thinking about planning a trip soon.
That would be great. There are so many beautiful beaches around here, it's hard to choose which one to go to.
Yeah, I'll have to do some research and see which one looks the best. Do you have any recommendations?
Well, I really like going to Jones Beach. It's not too crowded, and the water is really nice.
Thanks for the suggestion. I'll definitely look into that.